Hello there, guys. Welcome to Vinyl Dad. Look what just came in today. It's a package from Rega. I did not open this one yet, so I hope I have a clue what it is, but I will check. So I will start with open this one. Let's see. Documents. Let's see what this can be here. Very well packed. Fragile. Okay. Here we have. Ooh. It looks like they have sent me a cup, a coffee mug. Look, that has Rega on it. Look. Looks very, very nice. It says Rega, 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 or Rega, Rega. Look at that. See? Very nice. So, let's begin. Yeah, that's it. Okay. This I will be using for my daily coffee. Thanks a lot.